Next, I have the Bambu Lab P1S, which I picked as the best overall 3D printer. So let me just say the Bambu Lab P1S and the P1P are very similar in terms of hardware, but with the enclosed build chamber, additional cooling fans, and an activated carbon filter, the P1S comes in as the superior choice. So what makes the Bambu Lab P1S the best? Well, for starters, it has a super fast print speed of up to 500 millimeters per second. Now, there are faster printers out there, but they usually come at a cost of quality. This printer here is the upper echelon in terms of speed and performance. So whether you're prototyping, creating detailed models, or producing functional parts, the P1S delivers incredible efficiency, and the additional cool fans give you that improved layer of adhesion to help maintain shape and intricacies. Another standout feature is the automatic material system, which allows you to print with multiple materials and colors at the same time. This really is a game changer. I'm talking about more intricate, colorful, and multifunctional designs without requiring manual filament swaps. It is a treat for anyone who has had to deal with swapping out filaments in the past. And just in general, when you look at the P1S, all you can think of is quality and superiority. It has a sleek, sturdy, enclosed frame, which not only provides better temperature control and ensures a safer printing environment, but in all honesty, it just kind of looks better. Its premium design also minimizes vibrations and stops wobbling dead in its tracks, giving you smoother, more accurate prints down to the finest details. And in addition, it is also equipped with a 32-bit quad-core processor and advanced AI-assisted features. So no matter what filaments you're working with, whether it's PLA, PETG, or any other advanced filament, the printer adjusts intelligently to provide professional-grade results. Overall, with its amazing print quality, sleek enclosed design, and impressively fast speed, as well as its ability to print with several different materials and colors at the same time, the Bambu Lab P1S comes in as the best overall 3D printer on the market.